Okay guys, so today we're going to be making some pasta in a homemade tomato sauce. Okay, so after we have made our homemade tomato sauce, we have boiled our pasta. We're going to simply add the pasta to our homemade tomato sauce. And we're just going to stir and combine everything together. Now, if you want to your tomato sauce to be a little more loose, you can reserve some of the pasta water and add some of it in order to loosen up your tomato sauce. But because this was a homemade tomato sauce, you know it's going to be good, especially if you grew your own tomatoes and you had it ripen on the vine. Oh my goodness, it's going to be so much better than the store-bought tomatoes. So maybe we could add a little more of our liquid. So folks, this is a nice simple dish you can make. You can have this with either baked chicken or some baked fish. Actually, use the same tomato sauce to make a simple baked fish dish. So you can actually have that along with this. If you plan a dinner meal one evening, you can do this pasta along with the baked fish. For example, if you did tomato sauce, then you can use that to make a complete meal, a complete dinner meal. You can have pasta with the tomato sauce along with the tomato sauce and baked fish. If you want, you can top this with some fresh basil at this point in time.